My dear students, today my topic is sentence and its types. Sentence and its types. Now, first I will define what is sentence. Sentence, a group of words that makes a complete sense, is called sentence. Now I have wrote a definition about sentence, a group of words that makes a complete sense is called sentence. For example, this is my bag. Number second example is this is my pen. Number third example is this is your book. This is my bag. It is one word, and is another word, and my is another word, bag is another word. So this sentence, this is my bag, it consists of 1, 2, 3, 4. It consists of 4 words. This sentence, this is my bag, it consists of 4 words. So a group of words. That gives a complete sense. Is called sentence. Another example is this is my pen. This one word is another word, it is another word, pen. This sentence, this is my pen, it also consists of 4 words. This one is second, my third, pen is fourth, and this sentence consists of 4 words. So we call this a group of words. We call it a sentence. Now types of sentence. There are 5 types of sentence. One is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is a sentence that states something. Assertive sentence is a sentence that states something. It may be positive or negative. Example is Bashir goes to school. It is a positive sentence. Number second is Bashir does not go to school. It is a negative sentence. Now another sentence is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is a sentence. Imperative sentence is a sentence that expresses a command, request, or request and advice. Example, for example, make haste, look sharp. Make haste, look sharp. It is command. Number second, walk slowly. Walk slowly, lest you should not fall. Lest you should not fall. It is advice. It is advice. And number third example is please lend me your pen. Please lend me your pen. It is request. It is request. So imperative sentence is a sentence that expresses a command, request, or advice. I have written some of the examples on the blackboard. Number one is make haste, look sharp. This sentence shows command. Walk slowly lest you should not fall. This sentence shows advice. Number third example, please lend me your pen. And this sentence shows request.